Yeah. Boy, that was a nice short, huh? I love it, man. I love it. Who's in the house? Come on. Come on. Who was on that play? Who was on that play? Come on. Who was on that short? We were out at 23 pips, but it took a full 50 pips. So you know, that's what we do is if we've had a while without, you know, consistent wins, we just lighten up, played a little more conservative. Scott, didn't you get the alerts? We went short at 45.55. Didn't you get the alert? We were short at 45.55 and we closed at 45.32. And it kept going. That's what I like to see, guys. That's what I like to see, because if someone gets the alert a little late, they actually get out with even more profit. That doesn't always happen, guys, so make sure that you get out when you get the alert. You know what I mean? But if you had not gotten out when you got the alert, you walked away with 50 pips right there. 50 pips right there. Look at that. Now, do you see why I say trust the system, guys? That was a 50 pip play right there. Look, and it's still going. Yo, yo. Maximize potential. Where's the hearts? Come on, guys. Come on. We just took like between 23 and 50 pips out of the market just now. If you didn't get the message on your phone, you're walking away with 50 pips. If you got your message, you should have walked away with at least 20 pips. I don't pull these all-nighters for nothing. I don't pull them for nothing, baby. I'm here to make money. I'm here to take pips. I'm here to kill pips. You're here to kill pips. If you're not here to kill pips, then you gotta leave. You gotta leave. Because we only do one thing in this room. Right? What do we do in this room? You gotta give it a little room, baby. You gotta give it a little room. Scott, look at the risk reward. 15 pips of risk versus 50 possible reward. You gotta look at it that way. That was a good play, man. CAD has all the plays today. CAD has all of the plays today. .8 pips. Hey, if you made positive pips, you made positive pips. But you guys got to understand, guys, when institutions put orders into the market, they don't put them all in at one price. You know that, right? Like, they'll put 5 lots in at one price, 10 lots in at another price, 20, 50 lots in at a different price. You can go to babypips.com, babypips.com, and find that out. This is Forex, guys. Pips are a point in percentage. It's a unit of measurement for currencies. It's a unit of measurement. If you guys want to learn more about the basic stuff, you can go to babypips.com. They have a nice introductory school for people that want to learn about Forex. If you want to learn exactly how to make money with a strategy, you can email me, info@fitbusinessman.com. We just released a beta text version. It sends text messages out automated. It's an algorithm, and what you're staring at is the algorithm at work right now. Thanks, Eddie. Appreciate that. We got some like 80s house music on. It's pretty hot, man. It's pretty hot. I like listening to house music when I trade, man. It makes me happy. I usually make very good decisions when I listen to house music. Did you create this program? The platform I did not create. The algorithm that's running on the platform and running on various others, yes. Thank you for the invitations, guys. Wow. Wowzers. Thank you for the hearts. It seems like everybody gets into the room all at once. Is that what's actually happening? It seems like people get kicked off at once and then get on at once. So I'm guessing that's like a network thing. Guys, thank you. We already took profits. If we were in this trade, we already took profits. But this turned out to be a good trade, and EuroCAD has been doing exceptionally well. We played it very early morning hours. We also played it this morning. At this point, everybody that is a member should be up net by at least 20 pips. By at least 20 pips today. So this is one of the better plays, guys. EuroCAD is showing the volatility. We're kind of seeing how volatility is skipping around from currency pair to currency pair. You know, you can't really say anything bad about the plays in CAD. Both EuroCAD and USD CAD this morning. Looney is basically tearing it up. Euro Looney is tearing it up. Alright, I like when we get profits, guys. Thank you, Scott. Appreciate that testimonial, buddy. Yeah, the technical stuff is tough, you know, learning how to place the trades quickly without making mistakes, trusting the algorithm, the whole risk-reward type thing. I'm happy with this trade. We got some momentum now. I'm happy with that. You know, last week we had a little bit of a rough spot because the euro was just not giving us anything. There was just no plays to be had. And now we're getting back into it because we've got the plays. Yeah, trusting the algorithm is hard, man, but I can go back 10 years and show you how, like, every single trade, it's on point. It's on point. It'll lose pips here and there. It'll lose pips on some switches here and there, but on a net basis, it absolutely crushes the market over a 10-year period. On a net basis, it crushes the market. That's what it's about. Look at that, man. We had plenty of time to get out. We could have held this for quite a while. Any other plays right now? I'm kind of just chilling right now. I don't know if I want to take anything else this morning. It seems like whenever there's a lot of movement right now, like USD CAD just had a pretty big sell-off over the last hour. Euro CAD had a big sell-off over the last hour. They tend to exhaust themselves. Like, the currency pairs tend to exhaust themselves quite a bit. And maybe they'll get a lot of sideways movement. Thanks for hopping in the room, Delilah. Appreciate it. Appreciate all the new people. I know that if you're looking at this and you're new, it probably looks like it's rocket science. It's really not. However, I have spent a lot of time studying this. So for me, it doesn't look foreign. It might look foreign to you, but with a certain amount of study, you can actually become a profitable trader. Does the big money pull out then, or they stay in? That's a good question, Aaron. It depends. Usually, because they're exercising such large positions and taking such large positions, they tend to have to scale in and scale out. So most likely the big money shorted up here. They might have taken profits here and then shorted again in this area again. And then probably take profits around here because this is the gap close. You can't see it, it's off the screen, but the gap close is right here at 44.82. So most of the big institutional funds have already started taking profits. And that's why you see that we're having trouble breaking through 4,500 because a lot of orders are probably at 4,500. Yeah, no problem. This is a hot song, man. Hot song to trade to right here. It doesn't try. It basically hops in the same exact positions. And that's what we've been seeing all day is that when Prime takes a short, it's not too long after that all the banks jump into that same position. So Prime is actually early into the trade, faster than the automated algorithms that the banks and the institutions are running. Where they're excelling at this game is getting out of the position, man. They're very fast at getting out of the position. And that's, you can just see it. You can just see when they get out of the position, the retracement is very quick. But, you know, they're executing the automated strategies. The entries and the exits happen within milliseconds. Not even seconds, milliseconds. Thank you for the hearts, guys. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Sounds good, Delilah. Have a great day. Thank you. Yeah, I enjoy it quite a bit too. I really do. It's a lot easier to enjoy when you're winning, that's for sure. Oh yeah, it's the ultimate chess game. The ultimate chess game. The ultimate physical chess game is jiu-jitsu. The ultimate mental chess game is trading, in my opinion. Alright guys, I just want to make sure that you guys took your profits, walked away today so far profitable. Like I said, it's important to start getting the wins under our belt again. Sometimes you hit, these flat spots in the market and you may have a sideways equity curve or a slightly down equity curve. It's important to actually get your momentum turned around, start taking profits, get back into that mode of taking profits, get back into the mode of trusting the algorithm, trusting your intuition with the algorithm, not your intuition alone, but your intuition with the algorithm, trusting that you put years of work into it, so on and so forth. Alright guys, excellent work today. I'm really proud of you guys. I thank you for trusting me and for putting your hope and faith in me. Alright? It means a lot to me. It really does. And I want all you guys to walk away with money every single day. I'm not just saying that. I want everybody that's a member to walk away with money every day. And even if some of you guys just drop into the Periscope and aren't yet members, I want you to walk away with money. No problem, Eddie. It's important to understand that, this is just one aspect of finance. But if you can just get good at one aspect of finance, you can make some serious bank. John, what up? What's up? So, just to review, we took a nice short in the Euro CAD, a nice loony play. For you guys that are new, that's what the CAD is called, the loony. So this is the Euro loony for short. We shorted at 14.55. Current price, 45.55. Current price is 45.07. So currently 49 pips of profit if this position is still open. The reason why I wanted to close it, of course, I told you guys I wanted us to get back into the mode of taking profits. I didn't want to risk a retracement again. Like I said, what Prime does well is really attack the trends. If there is a trend, Prime will take it. Prime will take it, and it will usually be between 30 and 50 pips. Right, secure the money, and then as we win and we get a little bit more winning under our belt, we can really just let the position ride a little bit more. Pip Army, I like that. Man, look at this. We could have took our sweet time. We could have ate an apple and then got out of this position. It was like I was very focused on taking profits after having such a sideways week. But it goes to show you that you can't change your trading style. You have to, you have to keep on with the same trading style, the same algorithm. It's 10 years back tested. If you change things, then you start getting yourself worried. Consistency is key. Spence, there's nothing wrong with working. Just keep saving your money and build your risk capital up. Don't be in a rush, buddy. Don't be in a rush. The markets are going to be here in a year. Trust me. I think the Euro USD, Jose just, he texted me. Remember I was telling you guys about the 1311? I think Euro USD just smashed through it. So that was our breakout. Yeah, remember I told you guys? Watch the 1311. 2 scopes ago, I told you guys, watch 1311. Watch 1311. When it breaks through 1311, it's going to get high. From 1311 to 1331. 20 pips right there. Jose just made like 150 bucks. Not bad for a kid. Not bad for a kid. I love it. Love it. I love it. I love me some money in the morning. I'm doing the money dance. You can't see it, but I'm doing the money dance. All right, guys. I haven't slept all night. You do the money dance. We do the money dance. We gotta make a song out of that. We'll get Jay-Z to do it. I'll give Jay a call and we'll get him to do it. Yeah, I'm thinking we can get something going. I'm thinking we can get something going. See, this makes up for that first Euro USD loony play where we missed 100 pips. And now here's like the 50. We're going on 55, 56 pips, 57, 58 pips. Man, I should have let this position ride. Woo! Should have let her ride, but that's okay. 60 pips now. Should have let her ride. Should have let her ride. Should have let her ride. That's okay. Nice, Ash. Yeah, no regrets. Damn. We're going on 65 pips, man. Nice, Ash. Yeah, it's probably better to get out soon. I would get out. Guys, if anyone's short, get out within the next 5 pips, no matter what. Get out before 44.80. Get out before 44.80. Alright, good, good. Because we're about to close this gap. Actually, we just closed the gap. If you go by the top of the wick. Yep, there's the gap close right there. Not a bad play, guys. Not a bad play. Not a bad play. I like to see my team profit. I like to see my team profit. Like to see my team profit. K2 Legend, what up? If you're new to this room, we murder pips on a daily basis. We are the pip killers. Hashtag pip killers. If you don't know what that is, now you do. We run the Forex markets. What's up? You are watching a 60 pip short. Team Fit Business in the house. Team Pip Killers in the house. I like it. I like it, guys. All right, good play. Give you guys. We really are my team. Well, I'll tell you what. If Floyd wants to give me some money to manage, Floyd, if you're out there and you happen to stumble by Fit Businessman Scope, send it on over, baby. Send it on over. All right, guys. Yeah, we sure are. All right, I'm going to hop offline. I'm going to get some work done. I got to get that video up for you guys. The more we learn, the more we earn. Applied knowledge. Applied knowledge. Yeah, Spence. You guys keep kicking booty. Get that risk capital. Study. Follow the leader. You guys are going to get it. Adrian, please tell me you were on that short. Adrian, please tell me you were on that short. Good. Good, good, good. You walked away with a nice profit? We got out early, so I just wanted to get us used to taking profits again, all right? I just wanted to get us in that mode of taking profits. Obviously, we were out way too early. I mean, we played it very conservative, but I didn't want to risk any type of retracement. Right. Yeah, you know, the thing is guys, you know, the system works, but as you use it, you find when it's the strongest. And it's not just about finding a system that works. It's also about Team Pip in the house. Team Pip. What about long at 480? That's a ballsy play. Did you take that? I mean, that's playing the gap close. You could take it. But, I just didn't want to risk that. You know, we're playing the 1 hour candle, so until Prime gives a long. And you know, guys, here's the thing about making money. If you look at John Rockefeller has a quote. John Rockefeller has a famous quote. He says, "I'll tell you the secret to making money in the markets. I never try to buy the exact bottom, and I never try to sell the exact top." Do you understand what the meaning of that is? You can look up that quote. John Rockefeller. I never try to sell the exact top, and I never try to buy the exact bottom. So what he's essentially saying is that he was practicing momentum investing or momentum trading strategy even from, 100 years ago. Is essentially what he was doing. So, even though we might miss the bottom of that candlestick, the wick extends down 20 pips, right? A lot of people would say, oh, we missed out on 20 pips. But we're not after those 20 pips, you know what I mean? We're after the trendy moves, the trendy moves, the trendy moves. That's where you get the profits from. We want the moves with the meat. I want my steak and potato candlesticks. Y'all know what I mean. All two of you in here. Giving away free knowledge and 3 people care about it, baby. Alright, I'm assuming you guys are either tired of me. Yeah. I'm assuming people are either tired of me or they're really pissed off that they weren't in that play. Because everybody left. Alright guys, I'll see you on a little bit later. Alright, that was a good play. Give yourself a pat on the back, slap on the fist. And we're getting back into winning. We're getting back into consistency, and it's going to be like this from here on. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Ciao. Thank you. Thank you.